If you want to save a ton of time editing photos, learning how to batch edit in Lightroom is one of the fastest ways to do it. In this video, I'm going to show you a simple step-by-step method for batch editing in Lightroom Cloud and Lightroom Mobile, so you can apply the same look to multiple photos in just a few clicks. This is perfect for weddings, travel photos, product shots, or any set of images that need the same adjustments. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy editing guides. All right, let's jump right in. The first thing you need to do is open the photo that already has the edits you want to copy. This should be your finished image, the one with the exact look, color, brightness, contrast, or style you want to reuse. Once that photo is open, you can copy the settings. On Windows, press Ctrl and C on your keyboard. On Mac, press Command and C. If you're using Lightroom Mobile, tap the three dots menu and choose Copy Settings. This saves all the adjustments from that photo, so you can apply them to other images. Next, go back to your grid view. On desktop, you can press G to return to the grid quickly. This is where you'll see all your photos together, which makes batch editing much easier. Now select all the photos you want to edit. You can click and drag or hold down the selection key while choosing multiple images. The goal here is to highlight every photo that should receive the same adjustments. Make sure you only select the photos you actually want to update, because once you paste the settings, they will be applied across the selected images. After your photos are selected, it's time to paste the settings. On Windows, press Ctrl and V. On Mac, press Command and V. If you're on Lightroom Mobile, tap the three dots again and choose Paste Settings. Lightroom will now apply the copied edits to all the selected photos at once. This is the main batch editing step, and it can save you a huge amount of time compared to editing each image individually. Once the settings are pasted, you can click through the images to make sure everything looks right. Sometimes a photo may need a small tweak, depending on exposure or lighting, but the paste look should now be consistent across the entire set. And that's it. You've successfully batch edited in Lightroom using copy and paste settings. It's a quick, reliable workflow that works great in both Lightroom Cloud and Lightroom Mobile. If you found this video useful, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more Lightroom tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.